Alert forecast.
The snow showers that moved through our area this morning are now gone, and we've got some calm weather in place right now, which is good news because the next weather system that's coming up on Tuesday looks like it's going to be a messy one. It's currently out in the Four Corners region of the United States, and it's going to start to swing our way, bringing us our next chance for some snow and, yes, some messy conditions. And that's why we've issued a first alert weather day, level yellow. You can tell by that yellow bar there right below the logo, for Tuesday because of those messy conditions. Here's a few of the details that we know right now. Timing of it looks to be Tuesday into Wednesday morning for all of Northeast Indiana and Northwest Ohio. We're expecting some heavy wet snow in the morning on Tuesday, changing over to all rain before lunchtime. And in the morning on Tuesday, we could be dealing with some slippery roads. Here's the forecast first for Monday. Cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions, a high of 36. When you're waking up tomorrow morning, sending the kids off to the bus stop at around 7 a.m., temperatures will be in the mid to upper 20s, and then kids heading home from school will be in the mid to upper 30s. So bundle up tomorrow because it is going to be a chilly day. Here's the timeline for Tuesday now. For the snow, we're expecting that snow to overspread the area overnight Tuesday into very early Tuesday morning. Once we get to about 7 a.m. or so, we're starting to see that snow change over to rain. Now, if you're having to commute on Tuesday morning, use some caution because the snow will be heavy at times, and we've got strong gusty winds throughout the day on Tuesday, upwards of 35 miles per hour. So that'll create some low visibility. But as we get into the late morning hours, we're talking 8, 9, 10 a.m. and beyond, we're expecting just rain for most of 21 country, and that rain could be heavy at times. Here's what First Alert Future Track shows as we go throughout the next couple of days. Just cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions, like I mentioned, for your Monday, but it's nice and dry. So if you have to get outdoor work done on Monday, that's a good time to do it. You can see that snow starting to appear by about midnight on Tuesday, becoming widespread for pretty much everybody by about 3 a.m. or so. But in between about 3 and 6 a.m., we start to see that snow change over to rain for places to the south of Fort Wayne. And by 7 a.m., we're just starting to see that change over here in the Summit City. Then in between 7 and 10 a.m., places to the north of Fort Wayne, we'll start to see that snow change over to rain. So a pretty messy Tuesday morning commute, like I mentioned, but as we get into the afternoon, it's just going to be rain, which could be moderate to heavy at times, indicated by the yellow and oranges here on the map on Future Track. As we get into the evening on Tuesday, the rain starts to break up, but then the cold air starts to filter in as that system pushes off to the east, and we start to see a few more snow showers for early on Wednesday morning, wrapping up by about lunchtime on Wednesday. So here's some of the impacts that we're expecting for Tuesday. In the morning, some heavy wet snow is possible, so travel conditions do not look very good on Tuesday morning. The afternoon looks okay, but the rain could be heavy at times. The evening commute looks pretty good. We're just going to be dealing with the rain. And then early Wednesday morning, we're having to deal with a few of those snow showers, which really won't amount to a whole lot, but maybe 1 or 2 slick spots possible on Wednesday morning, so just use some caution. How much snow are we talking about? Well, by Tuesday, 7 a.m., that's before sunrise on Tuesday, area-wide, 2 to 4 inches of snow is possible. We know those numbers could change either down or up over the next 24 hours. So really you want to pay attention to the impacts from this system, not necessarily how much snow we're talking. And this is not the only system we've got our eye on. We've got a weather system that's going to move through sometime in the time frame of Friday and Saturday of the week ahead. And it's going to be just in time for colder air that's moving in. We're talking temperatures ranging anywhere between 5 to 10 degrees colder than where they're supposed to be for this time of year, and our averages for this time of year is in the low 30s. First Alert Extended Forecast shows we've got the chance for a few flurries on Thursday. Then you see Friday and Saturday, we could be talking about some extended snowfall, but we still got some details we need to work out there. And those snow flurries could linger into Sunday, but you can see next Sunday, very cold, only a high of 20 degrees. We'll be right back.